the La Roche-Posay Triple Moisturizer Cream, and it is amazing. This stuff is so great. I love their products. Like, I use tons of their products on my face, and they're amazing. I love that they never have like a strong scent or anything weird. They're not sticky or anything like that, and because it's really, really creamy. I'm gonna show you guys how it is. Oh, it's so nice. It's so great on your skin. It doesn't have a strong... So this one has no scent at all, which I love, because, you know, if you're gonna put it all over your whole body, you don't wanna smell like it, unless it's like a perfumed lotion that you want the perfume smell of. But otherwise, for me, I'd rather smell like my perfume than like my lotion, because I spend a lot more money on my perfume than I do on my lotion. So I prefer my lotion to not have a scent. That way, you know, my hair or my perfume is what people smell. So this lotion is super creamy. I don't know if you can see, but it gives you like a nice shine to your skin. Definitely makes it look moisturized, which I like. It's not like a really thin lotion, which I prefer. I have very dry skin, so this really is great. If you have dry skin, this is a great lotion. But it doesn't feel greasy. It feels very thick. It's not like a watery lotion. You know how some just kind of go on and like they immediately evaporate and you feel like you didn't even put anything on? Some people like that. I personally like a creamy lotion, something that really feels like it's nourishing my skin, especially in the winter months. And this one is amazing. I also really like